pandas.read underscore CSV named argument na underscore values default values. Pandas automatically converts certain values to NaN when importing data from CSV, Excel, SQL, etc. For example, methods in pandas.io.parsers. My question is, what are these default values? I've noticed that the string na gets automatically converted. As others have noted, one can disable this automatic conversion by passing keep underscore default underscore na equals false when calling the function that imports the data, for example pandas.io.parsers.read underscore CSV. That said, I do not know which values other than na are automatically converted. In the docs, all I can find is the following description for the keep underscore default underscore na argument. Keep underscore default underscore na, bool default true if na underscore values are specified and keep underscore default underscore na is false the default NaN values are overridden, otherwise they're appended to. What I'd like to know is, what are the aforementioned default NaN values?
Jeff provided a link almost a year ago, but since following links is cumbersome, I moved the information here. Source, this URL. However, this list is not complete. Note how the empty string was not a part of the list, but it still gets parsed as NaN by default. If this list would be the default, these two commands should produce the exact same result. They don't. If you want to reproduce the default behavior of pandas.read underscore CSV, this is the list you need. Pandas version for reference. Bug ticket with pandas. This URL. Update. This is fixed in pandas 0.17.
If you want to see more peaceful music